Quick, portable and made in Canada, rapid COVID-19 test kits approved, shipping out, CBC News.
This post received a score of 41,000, with an upvote ratio of 94%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
From the article, most of the handful of other companies making rapid tests around the world have shut down exports, said Lem, so we decided we are going to focus only on Canada and we have deliberately not taken any orders from outside Canada. This seems reasonable under the circumstances. I'm sure once we have things on the other side of the curve and can make enough to meet domestic needs, we could start selling the surplus, for a reasonable profit.
Maybe they could sell licenses to produce the devices, that way other countries can make their own and it wouldn't have any impact on Canada's capacity.
Or maybe they could just release the fucking license if this is really the global concern it's being made out to be. #we're all in this together unless there's an opportunity to capitalize on it somehow.
If only we didn't have to start making our own masks, we might have had the manpower to pump out enough of these to other countries. Damn shame about that completely unavoidable circumstance that no one could have done anything about.
Well, the last thing the Trump administration wants is adequate testing, so suck on that America's hat. Haha, we owned you by completely shooting ourselves in the foot. Seriously though, they really don't want the testing to be easy or in abundance. A good portion of the reason our numbers are so low in cases and deaths is because we don't have enough tests for the dead. Only in a few states are they reporting deaths that haven't been tested as C-19 deaths even when it is blatantly obvious the cause of death. Doctors and hospitals have to ration these tests and the dead don't need them.
I read that in NYC, before the pandemic, around 25 to 30 people died in their homes on a daily basis. Since COVID, it has risen to 300 to 400 people a day. Many died from normal things besides the virus, simply because they couldn't be put in a hospital. And others may have died from the virus, but since testing is so limited, they don't have the capacity to test anybody dying at their homes. So basically, no one knows how many of those people passed from the virus. Terrible.
They probably had trouble buying them from other countries. This is a problem for nations without an industrial base. I'm glad Canada was able to make their own. This is a huge demonstration of the long-term harmful effects globalization can have, and I hope it pressures a lot of developed nations to rethink domestic production after this is over.
Counter-argument: trade offsets cataclysmic weather events that would wipe out crops, the other crisis we should be prepping for now.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.